In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a resume in Enhancv. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to app.enhancv.com and you want to create an account, or just sign in if you have an account already. And after you do that, click on Create New up top right over here. Then click on New Resume. And here you have a few options. You can either start with an industry example, you can upload an existing resume, import your LinkedIn profile, or start with a blank document. Now, what I do think is the easiest way is you can start with an industry example, but of course you're free to use any of these options. So I'm just gonna click on the first one. And here you first have to basically search your resume examples. Now, you're going to see the preview over here on the right hand side, and here on the left, you can go ahead and search for different basically roles. Okay, so let's say you want to do a software engineer. You can already see your kind of preview over here. You can then, of course, select something else like artist or writer, actor, data engineer. You can go ahead and click on the video editor, etc. So you have a bunch of different options. So let's say we're going to go ahead and select the one for the software engineer for this tutorial. Here you can see how it looks like, and you can click on use this resume if you want to use this one. And it's going to start loading, and there we go. This is now your resume over here. You can go ahead, click anywhere on your screen, and you can just edit whatever you want. So let's say here you want to basically change the name. You can just go ahead, hover over it like you would edit in any text editor, and just type in your real name. So I'm going to do instant how-to software engineer. You can go ahead and change this. For example, I'm going to change it to YouTuber. As you can see, it's also here, etc. So you can do whatever you want in here, and this is completely up to you. Just click in each and every single one of these boxes, and then you can go ahead and basically put in whatever you want, okay? Here on the left, you also have a few options. You can add a section, so you can add in a custom section, languages, training/courses, or whatever it is here in the list. So we have a bunch of different ones. You can add these in. So for example, languages, you can add it to resume, and it's gonna get added over here, and it's actually very convenient to do so, okay? Because it's automatically going to do it, and you can go ahead and even rearrange this if you want to. So you can click anywhere on your screen, or just click on the rearrange up here top left, and you can go ahead and basically select how you want it to look like. So let's say I want skills at the bottom. I'm gonna put them down here, continue editing, and as you can see, everything got converted. Now, it's actually very handy to be able to do this, so make sure you play around with this too to give it a personal touch. Here, you also can search different templates in case you actually decide you want to do something else over here. You can also see the design and font where you can change margins, colors, your font styles, backgrounds, etc. And what you can also do is here where it says improve text, you can go ahead and basically detect your language, and then you can basically see the mistakes, spell checker, etc. But for this, you will need the premium version of Enhancv. Here you also have the checker, for which, as you can see, you can check and tailor your resume so that it passes ATS screening. You can press continue, and it's going to basically show you how you can do this as well. Here you also can download your resume or just share it with somebody else, so you can get a share link like this, and you can also allow it to get comments from friends, which is also very convenient if you want somebody to actually kind of proofread and review this for you before you actually send it for your job application or for whatever you want to use this. Here you have the links, and you can do this. You can send it to anybody and they'll be able to view it or comment on there. Here you can also download it, as I said, so you can go ahead and, if you want to, you can remove pro features. As you can see, it says that if you want to download it, you have to upgrade basically to a premium version because it's using pro features. So if you want to actually remove this, you can go ahead, find the pro features in here, and then you'll be able to essentially just go ahead and download it to your computer, okay? So here you can also enable or disable branding, and here at this very button, you can preview the document as it would look like when you download it, and this button over here will basically show you if there's premium pro features used or not. You can remove them by clicking remove, and you can go ahead and switch to free if you actually want to do this, and there we go. Now it's been removed successfully, and I can go ahead and download this as a PDF or send it as a basically PDF to my email or download as TXT. So those are basically all the things you can do, but if you would like to upgrade, go ahead, click on the upgrade button up here. You can go ahead, select your plan, and go ahead and upgrade to a premium pro plan of Enhancv. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.